Hi guys, Paul O'Keefe here. Thanks for visiting this bonus page. So what I want to go through today is the actual bonus. I've been going through Headway over the past few days and I think it's an absolutely amazing product. Once I've gone through my bonus, I'm then going to let Trevor actually talk you through Headway itself. So on the page today, you're going to see some amazing bonuses, but I'm only offering this up for the first 100 because the amount of work that will be involved from our team to do this. But what we're going to do is create your own bonus page for you, give you the bonus page with the bonuses and the delivery links for 10 bonuses that go with 2 of the products that you get inside of Headway. So Headway, what it is, it gives you the opportunity to give away a product that's actually for sale at the moment on Warrior Plus to build up your credibility inside Warrior Plus. And then they also give you the chance to give away to sell for $1 something else that's selling for $197 on Warrior Plus. So this is amazing value. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put together 10 bonuses that will help you sell the product even better. This is for the mobile one, which is for the dollar. Inside actual Headway, they give you 4 bonuses for Flipperdom, but they don't give you it in a bonus page. They just give you it as a document. So we're going to take everything out of that, add it to the bonus page, then add another 6 bonuses from our collection that you can have, and we'll create you a delivery link so you just plug it straight into Warrior Plus. So we're doing all the hard work for you here. We're creating 2 bonus pages to go with the products that you get inside of Headway. And the third exclusive fast action bonus is something that I've put together like a manual of the whole course. Inside there they've got the text copy of all the videos. There's 20 videos inside of Headway, which you'll see once I let you Trevor go through it for you. But what I've done is I've pulled together the whole course into one easy to go to PDF, and what I've actually added is 3 extra tips at the end of it. Although it's an amazing course, absolutely brilliant, it's worth 20 times the amount of money they're charging for it. But I found that with my experience, there's 3 other little things that they just didn't really kind of cover, and then I've added them into this manual. So you're getting the Headway course all packaged up into one book, plus you're going to get my 3 tips added to that, which is something that you don't get inside. You'd have to go to each separate module to get the actual written versions of it. And then after the first 100, if you don't manage to get in for that first 100, we still have another 20 amazing bonuses that are all to do with affiliate marketing, to do with niches and things like that, which these are all relevant. We're getting you access to get approved for webinars so you can get high ticket commissions. As you can see, we've got another 20 bonuses at the bottom, all linked to affiliate marketing as well. So today's bonus package is absolutely massive. And what I've actually done as well, I've put together a brief overview again with some bits in there that they missed, and you can actually download a free copy of that and have a read of it, which describes what's inside Headway before you actually buy it. So that's the whole overview of my bonuses today. What I'm going to do now is let Trevor jump in and give you an actual look inside of what you're going to get with Headway, and he talks you through each of the videos that they've put together. But this is an absolutely amazing product, and I highly recommend you get it at such a low price. Cheers now.
Hi, Trevor Carr here. So this is the What is Headway in a Nutshell video. All right, so it's kind of a demo of what Headway is, but the goal here is just to explain where we're going with Headway, why we came up with this, and what we're doing to help newbie affiliates make money online, genuinely make headway. The whole goal here is to really get them making some results, getting some commissions, and to stop staring at 0 days every single day. So we've split this into 3 modules. As we first come in, we've got an introduction here, then there's an introductory video from myself, as you'll see. And we've got a welcome here, an introductory welcome from Jonas. And then we move into the course itself. So the first video that we've got here is an introduction to the business. This is kind of like going back to basics. And so this video is 15 minutes long, and it goes through the whole business of what the business is, so that we know from the start what it is we're trying to achieve here. The next one is building your affiliate score. Now, what we've done here is we've identified that when people would like to promote products, they apply to promote products, there's this vicious circle. All right, the vicious circle is that they've got no score, they've got no history on Warrior Plus, and therefore they're not going to get approved, and so they can't get a score because they can't get approved. So we've got this video here that goes through the whole process of what we're doing here and how we're going to solve that. And then for each of the modules, they can go through to one of the documents, and there's a document for each module. So in this particular module, for example, if we come down, we discuss the fact that there's 0 scores on people that are applying to promote. We talk a little bit about my mistakes that I made in the beginning. And then we come into the offers. So what we're going to do is we're going to give them guaranteed approval to promote 2 offers. One of them is a giveaway front end, and then 2 OTOs at just $1. The next one is a $1 front end, and then 2 OTOs at $1 as well. And this is going to get their score up on Warrior Plus from a standing start. We've used a demo account to show that this works, and we've set that demo account up from scratch to show that you can get a score doing this. You only need to send a few sales, and before you know it, you've got a score. All the instructions are on there. So that's the first part. We're also giving them a review doc and a bonus access doc so that they can use our videos. We're giving them our review videos. These are the crazy hot Headway conversion boosters. So we're going to give them our review videos for Flipperdom. We're going to give them a review doc. So if we take a look at this is another one of the tools, and we show them how to download and re-upload the video to their own channel. We show them how to edit their links in here so that they've got everything they need. So this is like a review page that they can send out to their list or to Facebook traffic or however they want to send the traffic, but they don't have to have any experience in building a website. So that's the review doc. We've also, as I said, we've got the review access as well. So we talk about bonuses in there in the review video, and they get the bonuses to give away. Now, bearing in mind, they're giving the front end away for nothing on that one, and the OTOs are just $1. So this is designed to be a complete and utter no-brainer for anyone that sees it. And the sole aim of this first part of the course is to get their affiliate score up on Warrior Plus. So then we come through. The next training is on applying for and using your Vicious Circle Busters. The Vicious Circle Busters are those 2 offers that I just talked about. And then your Headway conversion boosters are the review doc, the review video. I show them how to download the YouTube video, upload them to their own channel, get their own links, put their own links into the docs, how to get a copy of the doc, etc. Then we come into module 2. There's an intro from me there, and then there's an intro from Jonas. And this is next steps as an affiliate. So in here we cover all sorts of things, but we cover the best way to get approval and review access. Now that they've got a score on Warrior Plus, they're not going to be seen as a complete newbie anymore. Then we go into a dead list case study that I've done, and a dead list case study update, a bot list case study, and a bot list case study update, and then a final case study update. Those case studies are to show what you can get out of email subscribers who have not opened for a year, because there's a lot of talk these days about deleting all your subs on Aweber, etc. This is showing you how you can get life out of the dead list. So this is the dead list, and I do an update at the end to show you how many sales I got out of the dead list. Also do an update to show you how many sales I got out of the bot list. And, you know, that's pretty impressive stuff for the size of the list that we're talking about there. That's the final case study update there. Then we move on to what we call GADS, which is it's Google Ads, Google search. And I show them case studies of multiple different promotions that I've done where I've used Google Ads. I show them how much I've spent. I show them how much I've earned. I show them how I set up the ad, etc., etc. And we also have another solution for them so that they can take their Google ad and they can send it straight through to a Google Doc review page. And I've got that approved on Google Ads. So everything's all up and running and working. We've tested the whole thing out and it all works. So this is another game changer for them. Then we've got Gorilla Ads, and that is using Commission Gorilla with Google Ads. Jonas demonstrates that, and then making your Gorilla pages. And then we move on to module 3. So in module 3, we've got an introduction from myself there. Then we move into the vendor side of things, and again we've looked at this to give them as much chance, give anybody as much chance of making great progress as possible. So we've got an introduction to that. Video 1, what we do is we go through the whole process. Let me just see, the first video here is just showing what I've done over the last year as a vendor to give a little bit of an idea of what can be achieved. Then video 2 is the longest video in the course. This one is 35 minutes long, and this goes through a whole process, the whole process from the beginning to the end of setting up the product, the offer, the whole thing. But the little twist is that we give them the product, and we also set this offer up on Warrior Plus, again using Google Docs, so that they can go ahead and they can use their own sales pages. So if they click on module 3 over here, you see this takes them through. They've got the Flippadom sales doc, they've got the OTO1 sales doc, they've got the OTO2 sales doc, they've got the access link, delivery URL for the front end, the OTO1 and the OTO2. So this is, and it's enabling them to set up their own product without having a product, to become a vendor on Warrior Plus. I got the offer approved and pushed through by Mike Lance a little bit quicker because it was Thanksgiving when that went live, and I come up with an update on that. So we've got a couple of update videos that show that the product approval update and then the fact that it got updated in the end. So once they've gone through and they've completed all 3 modules, there's no reason why a newbie, you know, a wannabe affiliate can't start making some serious money with Headway. We've tackled everything that we can see as the objections, the stumbling blocks, and we've provided solutions for all of those in what we consider to be a genuine, solid product, totally ethical, and will really make a difference to a lot of people. Okay, so that's Headway in a nutshell. I hope you've enjoyed that and it makes a lot of sense, and I'll speak to you soon.